Design a NFA which will accept all the strings containing 00 or 11 as a substring over the input alphabet 0, 1 over the input alphabet 0, 1. So first write down the minimum strings within the language. Minimum strings are 00 as a substring or 11 as a substring. Before 00, you may get any combination of zeros and ones. After the 00, you may get any combination of zeros and ones. Same thing, before and after 11, you may get any combination of zeros and ones. Okay, all these type of strings are valid here. Now we will design the NFA for this language. Q0 is a initial state. I am taking to Q1, Q2 for accepting 00. What is the another language? 11 is also accepted. To accept 11 as a substring, I am considering Q3, Q4 states. Make Q4 as a final state to accept 11 as a substring. Make Q2 as a final state to accept 00 as a substring. Q0 is the initial state here. Q0 on 0, it will go to Q1 state. Q1 on 0, it will go to Q2 state. Q0 on 1, it will go to Q3 state. Q3 on 1, it will go to Q4 state. If it move in this path, it will accept all the strings 00 as a substring. If it is move in this path, it will accept all the strings that are 11 as a substring. Okay, so before getting 00 or 11, you may get any combination of zeros and ones. So Q0 on 1, it will resides within the same state. Q0 on 0 also, it will resides within the same state. After getting the 00 as a substring, you may get any combination of zeros and ones. So Q2 on 0, Q2 on 1, it will resides within the same state. After getting the 11 as a substring, you may get any combination of zeros and ones. Okay, so this is a NFA which will accept either 00 or 11 as a substring. 00 or 11 as a substring. Now design the transition table for this one. Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Here Q4 and Q2 are the final states. Q0 is the initial state. Over the input symbols 0 and 1. Q0 on 0, it is moving to Q0 state or Q1 state. If there is a multiple entries within the transition table, you will say that is a NFA. Q0 on 1, it may resides within the Q0 state or it may go to the Q3 state. Q1 on 0, it is moving to the Q1 on 0, it is moving to the Q2 state. Q1 on 1, no transition is defined. Q2 on 0, it is moving to Q2 only. Q2 on 1, also it is moving to Q2 only. Q3 on 0, no transition is defined. Q3 on 1, it is moving to Q4 state. Q4 on 0, it is moving to Q4 state only. Q4 on 1, it is moving to Q4 state only. Let's take the one example. 1100. The string contain both 11 as a substring and 00 as a substring, whether it need to accept by Q2 state or Q4 state. It will accept by both the states. So see, if it will move in this path, for example, Q0 on 1 Q0 only, Q0 on 1 Q0 only, Q0 on 0 Q1, Q1 on 0 Q2. If it will go in this direction, it will accept 00 as a substring. If Q0 on 1 Q3, Q3 on 1 Q4, Q4 on 0 Q4, Q4 on 0 again Q4. If it go in this direction, it will accept 11 as a substring. Okay, so in NFA there are multiple paths. Now let's see here. 1100 as a input. Initially it is in the Q0 state. We have two possibilities. It may go to the Q3 state or it may resides within the Q0 state. If it is resides within the Q0 state, again let's see here. Two possibilities. It may go to the Q0 on 1, it may go to Q3 or it may resides within the Q0. Okay, previously if it reached to the Q3 state, another possibility is reaching to the Q4. Okay, now so Q3 on 0, what is the possibility? Q0 on 0, what is the possibility? Q4 on 0, what is the possibilities? We need to verify. So here Q3 on 0, so there is no transition. So here we are getting error. Now Q1 on previously it will reach to the Q1 state. Previously it is in the Q0. Now it is reached to the Q1 state. Another way, again it will resides within the Q0 state. Another way, it will go to the Q4 state. Next, finally. So see here, previously I said two possibilities. One possibility, 00 as a substring. Another possibility, 11 as a substring. So 11 as a substring accepted by Q4. 00 as a substring accepted by Q2. So another two paths is stay within the Q0 state or moving to the Q1 state. Okay, these are the different possible paths to accept 1100 as a input for given NFA.